Okay.
Okay. Mm, Degree of comparison. Like in English, we have good, better, best.
Yes.
So, just like in German, we have Comparat. Okay.
Okay.
Now, here we have this you will be doing in detail in your A2. Okay. It's just
Okay.
introduction in A1.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the grown form. And here we have when we compare two things, compares two things or place. And here we have compares more than two things or place. So here we have positive adjective, um, adjective.
Okay.
Here we have the comparative form. Comparative when we compare two things, okay? And
Okay.
how do we make comparative? We take the adjective and then we add an er, okay?
Mhm. Okay.
And then we add als, okay? And this als means then.
Okay.
For
With the
example,
injective only.
yeah, for example, here,
Hmm.
if I take the English one, good
Yeah.
is the base form, grund form, okay?
Okay.
It is my adjective. Now, better than, okay?
Okay.
With for this then we use als, okay?
Okay.
Do this later on, okay? The examples for them, okay?
Okay.
So it's just that how we form the comparative degree for if
Mm-hmm.
we are comparing with two things, between two things, okay, or place. So we just
Okay.
add an er with our adjective and then we put als and then the next thing, okay?
Okay.
Now for it is, and it is known as my superlative. And then when we are
Yeah.
comparing to more than two things, okay, for example the
Yes.
best, like this.
Yeah. Okay.
So here we have, first we use arm, okay,
Hmm.
then we take the
Okay.
adjective. Yeah, so we add an adjective, then we have two endings here, either we add sten
Yeah.
or we add esten, okay.
Okay.
These esten will only be there if the adjective is ending with Z or asset or D or T or X.
Okay.
If the adjective are ending with these words,
Okay.
then the ending will have ESTEN. Then, or if not, then the ending will be STEN. Okay.
Okay.
So now coming for the examples. Mm, So for example, I have first schnell. Okay, schnell means fast.
Okay.
Okay. So to form the adjective, I will just take my adjective schnell, okay, add
Yeah.
an er ending and then als,
Okay.
okay, and it means faster than,
Okay.
okay. And if I am using the a superlative, then arm, schnell, and the normal ending sten, am schnellsten, fastest, okay.
Yes.
This is the degree of comparison. Now for the
Okay.
second one is shown. Shown means beautiful.
Okay.
Now here try this one. What will it be?
So,
Yeah,
um,
schöner als. Yeah, as in the beautiful then. Okay,
Then
and it will be. Your voice is cracking so much. Yeah,
it would be Stosten.
Schoenstans, correct. It will
Yes.
be Am Schoenstan. Okay,
Yes.
as in the most beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah. Now next is net. Net means nice.
Okay.
So it will be netter als
Yes.
and it will be am
Um.
netesten. Esten. Because the adjective is
Okay.
ending with T.
Let's see. Okay.
Yeah. And here white. White means far. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be weiter als
Yeah.
and it will be am weitesten.
Okay.
Okay. So you
Yes.
just take the screenshot of this one, degree of
Okay.
comparison.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, and this one.
Okay.
Done.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we have. Okay. Now we have some exceptions. Um, as in the exceptions are the spelling changes of the adjective when we form the comparison degree of that adjective. Okay.
Okay.
For example, or basically the spelling changes or some new characters are introduced. Okay.
Okay.
Gross means big. Okay. And if I'm making this comparative degree, so it is grosser. Basically, this umlaut is added.
Okay.
Okay, and same arm groston. Groston. Okay, ten. Okay,
Yes.
now the next one is kalt. Kalt means cold.
Good. Okay.
Okay, here also my a umlaut is added. Kilter als, colder than.
Okay.
No, no, no. Only for the superlative it's added. Arm Kiltesten. Arm
Okay.
Kiltesten. Okay. It's called
Yes.
Carter Arts and Arm Kiltesten.
Okay.
Okay. And coming for good. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So it's besser als. Better than. Okay. And the superlative is arm bested. Best. Here the spelling is
Okay.
changing. Okay.
Yes.
And here the a umlaut is added.
Okay.
Okay. And for example, coming for feel. Feel means much, okay, or many.
Okay.
So feel is mehr als, more than,
Okay.
okay, and am meisten, mostly, okay.
Okay.
Now coming for next is gern. Gern is gladly, okay.
Okay.
For comparative between two, it is lieber als,
Okay.
means more preferably than, preferably
Okay.
than, and then the your thing or place come and am liebsten, okay, means most preferred.
Okay.
Like this, we have our degree of comparison in German. Okay,
Okay.
let's see some examples. Hmm. For example, we are taking the Schnell one. Okay,
Okay.
Schnell means fast.
Yes.
So the first sentence is eine Katze.
Mm.
Katze is cat. Okay, eine Katze is schnell. Okay,
Yeah.
it is my positive one, as in a cat is fast. Now I'm comparing this cat with a dog. No, I'm comparing a dog with a cat. Okay, as in I'm comparing two things. So I will use the
Okay.
middle one. So it will be ein Hund
Mm.
is what will be the the word if you are comparing two things.
Schwächtel als
Yes, is schneller als the
schneller als.
pronunciation. Okay,
Okay.
schneller als eine Katze.
Okay.
Okay, a dog is
Yeah.
faster than a cat.
Okay.
Okay, so it is my comparative one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now C is, now I'm comparing a leopard. As in, for example, I'm saying that a leopard is the fastest, the superlative.
Okay.
So I'm saying ein leopard.
Mm.
Okay, ein leopard. What is the superlative of Schnell?
Schneller.
Yes, am schnellsten.
Okay.
Am schnellsten. Okay, ein
Okay.
leopard is am schnellsten. Superlative.
Okay.
Okay, now like this we do the example, the degree of comparison. Okay, let's take the
Okay.
show. Okay, beautiful.
Hmm. Okay.
Now try this one. Berlin is, what will it be in a positive form?
Schön.
Correct, shown. Now Hamburg is dash Berlin. It is my comparative. So will what will it be?
Schöner als.
Correct. It will be schöner als. Okay, and if I'm saying München is dash, it's my superlative. So
So, um, am Stoßen.
yes, am schönsten.
Schönsten.
Correct. Understood how we use this comparative degree and superlative degree? It will be zero als. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have taken the screenshot of this one
Yes.
and the acceptance.
Also.
Yeah, please. This one.
Yes.
Okay. And this one. Done.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, done.
Done.